Well, it's difficult to get these fires under control. Forest department, to my knowledge, is doing its very best. But as you must be aware, forest departments across the country are severely short-staffed. It is certainly not completely under control. There are completely under control would be defined as zero fires, right? But that is not the case. There are fires all over the state, forest fires raging all over the state, and it is practically impossible to get them completely under control, given these circumstances.
Hello and welcome to this very special interview. Today I have with me Aditya Panda. He is award-winning wildlife conservationist and photographer from Odisha. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us here at the Logical Indian. I'll come directly to the matter and the question. Do you think Similipal forest fire is under control?
Well, it's difficult to get these fires under control. Forest department, to my knowledge, is doing its very best. But as you must be aware, forest departments across the country are severely short-staffed, and especially during the fire season, without adequate fire watches that they hire from outside, it becomes very difficult for them to manage these fires. And as you are aware, a lot of states this year have cut down their budgets for their forest departments, which makes it even more difficult to hire, additional fire watchers. In Odisha, even regular watchers that are hired by the forest department on a daily wage basis to aid their frontline staff in protection, they're being fired because the forest department simply doesn't have the funds to pay their wages. So I'd say the department is doing its best to try and control this, but there is a long way to go.
So, as per some reports, the government is saying that the fire is completely under control. But then again, there are some local journalists and some other media reports that say that fire is still raging the forest and is present in some core areas of the reserve. Do you think whether the government is trying to hide or the government is wrong in saying that the fire is completely under control?
No, it is certainly not completely under control. There are completely under control would be defined as zero fires, right? But that is not the case. There are fires all over the state, forest fires raging all over the state, and it is practically impossible to get them completely under control, given the circumstances of our forest department and, some realities of our demographics.
So, what are the challenges that the government is facing there in terms of controlling the fire and how it can be, mitigated? Not just for this fire, but the future forest fires.
See, mitigation. It's always prevention is always better than mitigation.
Yeah. That's
And, the fire season should be anticipated well in time. It's well known that in spring and summer, in deciduous forests across India, there are forest fires. These fires are not natural fires. These are all man-made fires. There are various reasons why they are lit, but they are all lit by people. So right from January, the forest department should anticipate this and prepare for this by, creating and maintaining fire breaks, by hiring additional fire watchers, and engaging with local communities to ensure better awareness and to ensure strict enforcement to put in the fear of law that will help bring down the number of these fires.
So, how serious is the government in terms of preventing such fires? Because if I'm not wrong, such fires keep happening every year because of the weather and the climatic conditions in that area.
It's not got to do with climatic conditions. I
Okay.
mean, summer in summer, deciduous forests shed their leaves, and trees come into flower and fruit. And these shed leaves are, dry, and they form a thick bed of tinder dry leaf litter in the forest floor. And if someone lights fire to these, they will burn, and they will burn and spread very quickly. But these fires are not lit naturally. So to say that it has got to do with climatic conditions would not be entirely accurate. Yes, climatic conditions do create the circumstances for these fires to be lit. And I've been hearing a lot of people talking about climate change as being the cause of this fire. It's, that sort of conveys that in higher temperatures sort of automatically cause fires to start. That's not how it is. If you keep a box of matches out in the sun, even if it is 50 Celsius outside, they'll just not catch fire. Yes, an early onset of summer and a longer summer is causing the longer fire season. So in that way, climate change is aggravating the conditions for forest fire, but these fires are not natural. That's something that I need to emphasize on, because these are human caused, and human caused fires can be prevented.
So, how serious is this problem in this area? Why I'm asking is there are different versions that are being given in the public domain. The government, as you and me, and others know, that the government has said this fire is under control completely. Then again, there are some allegations and reports by local journalists who say that the government is not allowing journalists and visitors in some core parts, as we spoke about, in the biosphere reserve, because they want to hide that there is a fire in that. So in that scenario,
Unfortunately, been an institutional sort of problem with Sindipal Tiger Reserve. And, that's a completely different topic that I'll digress into if I go there. But it is a known fact that the Odisha Forest Department for many, many years has been hiding a lot of facts about what goes on inside our protected areas, especially Simlipal. And it's quite infamous for how it had been hiding the number of tigers in the state for several years. Until now, things have hit rock bottom. So that's a completely different topic that will require a separate sort of interview to talk about. But yes, I wouldn't be surprised if allegations such as these are coming, because it's a known fact. But thankfully, thanks to the leadership of some good officers and the amount of press and attention that this particular year's forest fires have sort of attracted, the government certainly seems to have pulled its socks up.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for talking to us at the Logical Indian. Thank you so much.
Well.